Alright, hey, what's up, YouTube? We're going to do the 2012 Panini Black Football break. The only moves we have is that Johnny 5 Cards now owns the Rams. It was bought from our dog's Mr. Green. Alright, guys, good luck. Box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Alright, we got a Zach Brown for the Titans, number to 349. We got an Omar Bolden, rookie, numbered 1 out of 349. We have an AJ Green, base, number 349. And for the Jets, we have a Sean Green, number 349. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles, numbered 5 of 10. 5 of 10 for the Eagles. Okay. We got a Red Bryant captain, number 349 for the Seahawks. And we have a Emmitt Smith honors, number 349. Alright, here we go. First hit goes to the Packers. We got a Greg Jennings and Donald Driver dual jersey for the Packers. Colby Al. That's number 12 of 50. We got a Isaiah Peed jersey, number 299. For the Lions, Ronell Lewis for the Lions, autograph rookie. That's number 35 of 99. Next is George Iloka for the Bengals, SD timer. It's number 43 of 99. 43 of 99, jersey number. Yeah, same one. That's the jersey numbered. 43 of 99. Oh shit, you know what? Hold on real quick. I forgot. There is no more Panini Black. I gotta take it out. Alright. For the Bucks, Doug Martin, 4-color patch RPA for the Bucks. Nice patch on that one. 37 out of 399. Who had the Bucks? J. Wee Bell. There you go, John. Congrats, Johnny. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Rhett Ellison for the Vikings, 349. David Castro, 349. Greg Little, 349. You saw it? We got a Fred Taylor dual jersey for the Jaguars. Fred Taylor. Number 80 of 99. Number 249 for the Ravens, Joe Flacco. For the Chargers, Captain's Patch, Phillip Rivers, number 349. We have an LT, LaDainian Tomlinson, Honors, number 349. On to our hits. For the Cowboys, Dez Bryant. Dual jersey for the Cowboys, Dez Bryant. Big Joe, woohoo! That's number 96 of 99.
That might be a Hollywood joke. You know, Hollywood's a crazy place. I don't know if you guys know people that work in Hollywood or talk to people. There's a guy that does sketches on our show, Charlie Murphy. He was like
Redemption. Rookies Platinum Signatures, number 118 of Chris Rainey. Chris Rainey.
And he told us one story that was so good.
Isn't that Steelers? Or no? That's Steelers, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Charlie Murphy's True Hollywood Story.
Look that up. Next is Levante David for the Bucks.
You know what I mean? And I'm getting to hang out with people that I
number 199.
You know, on a screen somewhere. I'm like standing next to them and being at dinner tables with them. And, you know, it was a bug out, man. You know, I was a huge Rick James fan.
Next goes to the Rams. Terrence Ganaway, rookie autograph. This goes to the Rams.
We were hanging out with Rick James today, you know what I'm saying? And he comes out the room, and I look at him, and I'm not bored. I see like an orange, his aura or whatever. I see it. Man, which was, you know, right up my alley. I'm one of the baddest of all time. One of the best singers and all the best lookers you've ever seen. Hold my great bitch.
This one is going to the Colts. Dwayne Allen RPA.
I'm Rick James, bitch. Yourself. We got closer, started hanging out. My brother didn't do
Wrong guy mojo.
so at night, when Eddie would break out,
Numbered 11 out of 349. I said that.
He had this thing with me where he used to always like with me, man. I don't know what.
Oh, you guys can hear the TV? So this is Steelers?
I'm trying to
What's up, Victor? What's up, Kyle? How's it going, guys? Nice. What you get? What you get in there? NT was pretty nasty. We just got done with NT. Alright, Travis Benjamin, number to 349. Nice one, Victor. Congrats. Matt Khalil, number to 349. Sorry about that, guys. Deshaun Jackson, number 349. Once again, guys, we got contenders left next. We'll fill that up afterwards. Jay Cutler, number to 349. And a George Iloka to go with your autograph, numbered 1 out of 49. See, stick with one spots, man. Red Bryant again. I'll use the redemption as a cover card. And weaponry, number to 349. Good job, Victor. I'm proud of you. So are you gonna join? Are you joining contenders? Is that what you're saying? We got for the Bills 2-color patch. Doug Flutie, number to 49. 49 of 49. Yeah, Stephen Hill jersey. Contenders is 54. Number to 299. A lot of spots left too, guys. Levante David, rookie autograph. We got another one for the Bucks. Number to 199. Next is Rashard Matthews, rookie autograph. That's for the Jags. Mr. Ty is, oh no, that's for the Dolphins, I'm sorry. The card site, free break spot. Number 199. And our RPA is going to be Nick Foles is everywhere, son. Eagles. The card site. Get some of that, sir. The card site. Where you at? That's like right off. It's like the nose or something. It's like the nose of it right there. There you go. There it is. Now you see where it is. It's like the nostril. Nostril of the beak. See that little hole? Number to 349. Enter Zero Cool. Enter Zero Cool. Hit up your e-pair for Contenders, guys. I'm probably gonna jump in contenders too. I'm gonna get in contenders. There's spots left. I'm sure there still will be. Bruce Irvin, number 349, rookie. Tyrone Crawford, number 349. Holy shit, look at this Tim Tebow. Damn. Tim Tebow. That thing is all, has some dents on it. You can see right there. From the BN on up. Number 349, 60 of 349. Next is a Curtis Martin dual jersey for the Jets. Curtis Martin for the Jets. This is number 18 of 99. Got a Jeff Demps, number 49. 32 of 49. Patriots. Next is a man-to-man, Michael Crabtree and Patrick Peterson. So if someone gets a hit with the 49ers or Cardinals, they'll go to the other team. We got a Wes Welker, number 349. Okay, next. Number 99 for the Cowboys, jersey of Tony Romo. Give it to Cards. Okay, thank you. Okay, Dr. Jean, what's up? For the Packers, rookies platinum signatures, Nick Perry. For the Packers, Nick Perry, Kobe Al. So, dust down. For the Patriots, Dante Hightower autograph for the Patriots. We got an Omar Bolden auto, number 49, but it has some peeling. There's some peeling right there. At the bottom of that card. This is number 249. And our RPA is for the Broncos again. Brock Osweiler. The card site is officially killing this break. Just saying. Number 349. It's only a one color patch though. There's some stitching on there. Alright, last. Oh, Nick Perry is Packers. Last box. Look, guys. Look. Tick. I mean, what the fuck? Jamel Fleming for the Cardinals, 349. Marvin Jones for the Bengals, 349. Matt Forte, 349. We have a Case Keenum autograph. Damn, this is out of place. For the Texans. This is for the Texans. Who had Texans? Charbomb, number to 99. What the fuck? Someone took a shit in your closet. Got a Steven Jackson, number to 49. Noah James, no. For the Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick, 349. For the Chargers, rushing leader again for the Chargers. On to the hits. Kurt Warner jersey for the Rams. Big Tummy. 16 of 99. For the Colts, Black Onyx, rookie jersey. Dwayne Allen. Dwayne Allen PC is booming, son. Dwayne Allen PC is booming. 19 of 25. Next is a Ronell Lewis for the Lions. The big smelly turd. That's number 199. Red Lions. What do you think? Oh. We got a Devin Maggot for the Texans. Devin Maggot auto. That's number 29 of 49. And the last hit of the break goes to the Bills. 4-color patch RPA. TJ Graham for the Bills. Reds West. You're welcome, sir. That's number to 99. Jimmy got a hit. He didn't even want to stay to see it. That's the break, guys. Thanks for watching. Congrats on the Foles. Peace.